Good day everyone! Today, we will be discussing nouns. Together, let's make learning English fun and easy. Nouns are important in language learning. As a matter of fact, the English language contains more nouns than any other types of word. A noun names a person, animal, thing, event, and the like. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to use clear and coherent sentences employing appropriate grammatical structures focusing on the kinds of nouns such as mass nouns, count nouns, possessive nouns, and collective nouns. Let's do this. Tell whether each highlighted noun is a mass, count, possessive, or collective noun. The water inside the coconut fruit is refreshing. Water is a mass noun. The tall coconut tree behind Mrs. Castro's house is more than 20 years old. Mrs. Castro's is a possessive noun. These tables are made from coconut trunk. Tables is a count noun. Their family owns a big coconut plantation. Family is a collective noun. The dried leaves can be used to make baskets, bags, and mat. Baskets is a count noun. Nouns. A noun refers to the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Kinds of noun. You have learned previously that the two basic kinds of nouns are proper nouns and common nouns. In this lesson, you will know the other kinds of nouns. Count nouns and mass nouns, and possessive nouns, collective noun. Count nouns. Count nouns are nouns that can be counted. They can be singular or plural. Example, woman, women. Elephant, elephants. Baby, babies. Child, children. Chair, chairs. Flower, flowers. Book, books. Country, countries. Mass nouns. Mass nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. They cannot be separated into countable units. They can only be quantified by terms that signify amount. Examples of mass nouns are water, star, alcohol, sand, hair, sugar, coffee, oil. Mass nouns are common nouns, the following expressions are used before mass nouns. Much salt, little sugar, a lot of chocolate. The underlined expressions in the following phrases are used to measure the amount of mass nouns. A box of detergent, a block of ice, a bottle of cooking oil, a teaspoon of sugar, a sack of rice, a glass of water, a loaf of bread, a pinch of salt. Possessive nouns. Possessive nouns are nouns that show possession or ownership. Like, example, Aurora's house, the school's computers, the lady's umbrella, the children's game, Roger's car, Lila's book, the mayor's office, Gushen's hat. Possessive nouns also show relationship. Examples: Delia's sister, the man's friend, the girl's mother, Matilda's classmate. To form possessive nouns, do the following. As a general rule, add apostrophe s to the singular form of the noun even if it ends in s. The hen's nest, Nicola's bag. Add apostrophe to singular nouns that in the plural form have a final word that is in plural form ending with an s. Chocolate Hills View. Add apostrophe s to plural form that do not end in s. The children's game. Add apostrophe to the end of plural nouns that end in s. The two girls' toys. Add apostrophe s to the last noun to show joint possession of an object. Remy and Ray's farm. Lydia and Carol's car. Collective nouns. A collective noun refers to a group or people or thing. Examples: committee, class, a herd of cows, a flock of birds, a school of fish, group, crew, and crowd. Collective nouns can be singular or plural. A collective noun is singular if it is interpreted as a whole unit. Example: the team conducts its annual meeting every summer. The team is interpreted as one unit. A collective noun is plural if it is interpreted as the individual members of the unit. The family are doctors. Each family member is a doctor. Let's do this. Tell whether each noun is a count noun or mass noun. Equipment is a mass noun. Book is a count noun. Table is a count noun. Milk is a mass noun. Bus is a count noun. Furniture is a count noun. Rice is a mass noun. Sheep is a count noun. flag is a count noun, and a pen is a count noun. Let's do this. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate expression to measure the amount of the following mass nouns. Blank rice, a sack of rice. Blank pepper, a pinch of pepper. A bar of gold. A cup of cream. A drop of blood. Full of air. A glass of water. A bag of flour. A cup of coffee. A piece of wood. Let's do this. Write the possessive form of each of the following phrases. The responsibilities of men. Men's responsibilities. The talent of Maurice. Maurice's talent. The recipe of Chef Alex. Chef Alex's recipe. The shoes of Jane. Jane's shoes. The projects of the students. Students' projects. The statement of Mr. Cruz. Mr. Cruz's statement. The books of their children. Children's book. The feelings of her daughters. Daughter's feeling. The career of his parents. Parents' career. The promise of the teacher. Teacher's promise. Let's do this. Pick out the collective noun in each sentence. Then, tell whether it is singular or plural. Each class is expected to complete the voting process by 12 noon. Class is singular. Our family usually prays together at 7 o'clock in the evening. Family is singular. The audience rise to their feet and cheer. Audience is plural. The committee reports about its plans for the school fair. Committee is singular. The company sent help to the victims of the typhoon. Company is singular. Let's do this. Find the collective nouns used in each statement. Then identify its number by writing S for singular and P for plural. The environmentalist party expressed their hopes to win the election. Party is letter S. The Homeowners Association plans to cancel its party due to unfavorable weather. Association is letter S. The orchestra plays the Philippine national anthem with pride. Orchestra is letter S. The school's basketball team plays and wins its third championship game. Team is letter S. Yesterday, the drivers' union ended its strike. Union is letter P. Let's do this. Identify the kind of each highlighted noun below. Classify each as to mass, count, possessive, or collective noun. Mommy Sheila gave her son a glass of cold milk last night. Milk is a mass noun. Kuya Chan bought movie tickets for his siblings. Tickets is a count noun. My aunt's work often takes her out of town. Aunt's work is a possessive noun. My friends call me Mara. Friends is a collective noun. That shirt is his sister's gift to him. Sister's gift is a possessive noun. Let's do this. Write sentences using the nouns or phrases listed below. Band. The pop star's band plays the Cavite hymn with pride. My brother's bicycle. My brother's bicycle is fast and colorful. Equipment. The school has state-of-the-art equipment. Ice. Angela put a cube of ice in her orange juice. Books. Lance's favorite books are science and English. Let's do this. Write sentences using the nouns or phrases listed below. Noun, it refers to the name of a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Kinds of nouns are count nouns, nouns that can be counted. Mass noun, nouns that cannot be counted. Possessive noun, nouns that show possession or relationship. And collective noun, nouns that refer to group of people or things. Thank you for watching. Till our next English lesson. Goodbye.